Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Will here, third video. So I've been up at the Sunshine Coast now. I think this is a month today, actually a month today. So while I've been up here doing some jiu-jitsu with Legacy Jiu-Jitsu, awesome jiu-jitsu, love it. I've been working with my uncle. He's got a YouTube channel. Check it out, Our Build. I've been having a great time up here. Goal is to lose some weight, get life on track, you know, sort of stuff. So far I think I've lost about 4 kilos now, which is, for me, it's big. I love it. It's been good. It's about it really. Yeah, thanks. So if you just want to leave some stuff in the comments down below, right down there, you know, just down there, of what you would like me to do, what you'd like to see on this channel. Thinking about doing a bit of daily vlogs, you know, on the weekends when I've got time. Just filming what happens, what I do in everyday life, filming a bit of jiu-jitsu. I'll chuck some clips in today anyway. So that would be good. Chuck in some clips of that, chuck in some clips of just little work pieces, you know, that sort of stuff. But yeah, thanks guys.
Going around these walls, trying to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by thunder, see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go.
Thanks for watching guys, make sure you subscribe, drop a like down below. Sorry, the sun's right in my eyes. I can't open them that much at the moment, sorry guys. Yeah, thank you for watching. Just drop a like, drop a comment on what you'd like to see more of. I'm trying to post more weekly or fortnightly. A bit harder with working throughout the week and stuff, and trying to find the time to edit it. Like, I've got the time, just bug it after a full day. But yeah guys, thank you.